Hello and welcome. I was tagged to participate in Halfway to Halloween, originally created by Happy Haunts Library. I'll leave the link in the description. Halloween happens to be my favorite time of the year. I do realize that I've gone beyond the halfway mark, but it's never too late to start. And so, I'd like to introduce myself and what I enjoy doing. My name is Rozani. I'm a costume designer and also a papier-mâché artist, and I like to combine the two to create figurines, masks, and many things related to the masquerade whenever possible and as time allows. Speaking of which, there's no time like the present to begin planning and working on your Halloween projects. I invite you to join me for workshops, tutorials, and demonstrations. I enjoy working on many themes that spark imagination and creativity. And I'll show you a few as we go, where you can learn from the most basics to advanced and anywhere in between. I love using paper and creating figurines. I like to play with the paper and explore different shapes and textures, especially with my art dolls and my mushrooms. They're so much fun. And it's also fun to delve into the world of trolls and goblins and creatures of the night. And there again, I play with my paper and textures, using liquid starch with paper for my papier-mâché techniques. And I have so much fun creating Halloween-themed pieces. But I'm one of many creators on YouTube. There's so many participating in Halfway to Halloween. And I happen to be tagged by Fraidy Zone. So if you would like to learn more about this hashtag, there's lots more in-depth information at Happy Haunts Library. I invite you to visit these creators' links through my description. Here's wishing everyone a safe and happy and creative Halloween season. And so I'll say bye for now, and I hope to see you next time.